Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. We're taking a look at Skyroam, found at skyroam.com. They offer global Wi-Fi hotspots for travelers. This means you can stay connected practically anywhere in the world without relying on expensive roaming charges from your cell phone provider. Their website highlights several different hotspot devices available for purchase or rental. They market their service as convenient, reliable, and affordable, providing high-speed internet access in over 130 countries. Navigating their website, you can find details about their various data plans, pricing, coverage maps, and supported devices. They offer both daily and monthly passes to suit different travel needs. Skyroam emphasizes the simplicity of their service. You simply power on the hotspot and connect your devices. They promise no eSIM cards to swap, no complicated configurations, and no hidden fees. For frequent travelers, their monthly subscriptions might be a cost-effective solution. For shorter trips, the daily passes offer flexibility. They even offer a Solis X device, which not only acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot but also as a power bank for charging your other gadgets. This is a particularly useful feature for travelers constantly on the move. Skyroam targets both business travelers and vacationers, highlighting the benefits of staying connected for work, communication with family, and navigating unfamiliar territories. They showcase testimonials and reviews from satisfied customers, emphasizing the reliability and speed of their global Wi-Fi service. The site also provides helpful FAQs and customer support information. They offer multiple ways to contact their support team, including email, phone, and a live chat feature. This demonstrates their commitment to customer satisfaction. Furthermore, Skyroam offers a satisfaction guarantee, demonstrating confidence in their product and service. Overall, Skyroam presents itself as a valuable tool for staying connected while traveling abroad. They seem to offer a range of options to cater to different travel styles and budgets, making it a worthy consideration for those looking to avoid high roaming costs.